This is Code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Write a program sleep in that determines if it is okay to sleep in or not. It's okay. Ta-da! Problem solved. Next. Just kidding. If it is not a weekday or you're not on vacation, the function should return sleep in. If it is a weekday and you are not on vacation, the function should return. Oh, or you're on a vacation. Okay. When below weekday, yep. When the program works, it does this thing. What is? Oh, and they gave us these logs, sleep in. Okay, so we have this method. Oh, they provided us the name of the method. Okay. And we said sleep in, get up. Oh, okay. So I'm going to do a variable and call this result or status or response, something like that. Response. Functions have a result though. So result, and then let's see here. We should either return, the function should return sleep in or get up. Okay, well then, so it looks on most days we're going to be getting up. So I'll set the default then to be get up. And it doesn't really matter. We wouldn't actually even have to set a default technically. Regardless, all right, and then now, what is this? We have a day. What is day going to be? We'll sleep in, so day is going slap. So day is Tuesday, vacation's going slap. Okay, so now we have two values to consider. And so that's going to need an if statement. So let me go to controls, and I'm going to use actually an if and an if else, but I'll show you what I mean. So what I want to know is it Saturday or Sunday? Because if it is Saturday or Sunday, I know that we get to sleep in. However, I also want to know if it's a vacation. So let me start with the easiest thing first, right? If vacation, since I know this is a true or false, if vacation is true, what do I want to do? Well, I'm going to need to change this variable and say result would then be equal to, do we say get up? Sleep in, okay? And did they capitalize it? They did. So if it's a vacation, then we want this to be sleep in. Now, what if it's Saturday or Sunday? There's a few ways of handling this, guys. We have seen them chain together. We have seen this and operator. They put in math. There we are, right? So I could do, if it's vacation, and then I could do something complicated like, or if it's Saturday, Sunday. Instead, though, I'm going to just slap this plus a couple times, and I'm going to say if day, and then equals Saturday, or day equals Sunday. Now, if you want to mess around with casing, and I know some students like to get technical, and I applaud them for this actually, you could always do day dot, to lower case if you want to be really specific about this. And then you would have to do something like this for Saturday, right? That works fine too. Either way, since in this case, I know the input, I know I can see it right here, I'm going to be fine with the case as is. And so then I will again do, and then otherwise we should be good to go. Otherwise it's going to be get up, right? In all other cases other than these, it's going to be get up. So let me get rid of this and let me return my result. Now I want to show you a few alternatives that are just as correct to this, but let's first give this guy a shot. Sleep in, get up, sleep in. Yep. Now, students, you could also, if you want to be fancy and this can be tricky, you could have done an or here, and then you could have combined all of this stuff. Let me go into text mode, and I can take all of this. Now, the reason I have an or is because if it's a vacation day, if that is true, or if either of these are true. So if it is Saturday, or if it is Sunday, this would work. This is a lot harder to read because, yeah, I mean, I think it's kind of obvious with the multiple or statements why that could prove difficult. Another thing, though, I would like to point out, although that would have been completely correct, is that you could also do each day individually. Now, that would be a whole lot more writing, but it is just as proper. Regardless, onward.